Yeah, Independence Day, July the 4th in Texas. Our first July the 4th in our home state, Texas. And this is the way to do it. We thought we were going to have to go somewhere and line up in traffic. Oh no, the Texans know how to do it. So here we are, enjoying a beautiful sunset. And soon, bacoon, bacoon, bacoon. Happy 4th of July.
Hi there. Well, we're out here for 4th of July, and we've got our little spot all picked out. We should be coming out from that area.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. We're filming right now for the 4th
Jerry
of July.
chit-chatting
You know?
on Independence Day, being a good man and calling people and wishing them a happy July the 4th.
Yeah, Eve's videotaping me talking to you on the phone now.
So long for now.
Hi there. Well, we're out here for 4th of July, and we've got our little spot all picked out. We should be coming out from that area.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens.
Some of the music, it comes from the Julia Child show, you know, Dinner with Julia, because I was like, oh, it would be so cute to put
Just
that
sitting here talking on the phone while we're waiting for
he got one of the
darkness,
videos of Julia, and then he
which is almost upon us.
stuck it on. I'm like, oh, that's so cute, that's right.
Hey, come here.
Some of the houses in the background are starting to set some off.
So that keeps him out of depression.
Should be a good night.
You know, so that's a good. Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoa! Yay! Whoa! Wow!
Now, when my kids were babies,
I've never been this close to fireworks.
when my kids were babies, these were the people I was cussing because my babies couldn't swim.
Cool.
Please.
Yeah.
It was around.
Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo!
Yeah, if I had babies, I'd totally be. Hey!